This video will walk you through how to replace the recoil starter on a WEN generator. The procedure may require you to remove some covers or other components on some models, especially inverter generators. Before beginning, make sure the generator's engine is fully cool. Make sure the engine switch and fuel valve are turned off. Disconnect the spark plug boot. If your generator has a battery, disconnect it. Be careful when working around gasoline and keep sparks and flames away. Step 1. Use a socket to remove the bolts that hold the recoil starter to the housing, then remove the recoil starter. On this unit, the socket size is 8mm. Step 2. Make sure your new recoil starter works properly. Gently pull the starter rope and make sure the flanges come out when the rope is pulled. These flanges go into the slot in the starter cup and help you spin the engine. Step 3. Mount the new recoil starter on the housing and reinstall the mounting bolts. Step 4. Reinstall the spark plug boot, then take your generator outside and make sure it works properly. Thanks for watching.
Remember WEN.